Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the fascinating realm of psychology and delve into how certain traits shape our connections with others. Understanding what truly attracts women can be a game changer in building genuine, lasting relationships. Let's dive into the nuances of these qualities by starting with a question. Are you attracting the women you desire, or are you stuck in a cycle of confusion, wondering why things aren't clicking? You might believe you're doing everything right, embodying the quintessential nice guy who always nods along to keep the peace. But ask yourself, where has that gotten you? The truth might be hard to swallow, but it's crucial. Women often seek authenticity and substance. Today, we'll uncover the 7 masculine qualities that women secretly love in men. Let's get started. Lesson 1: Independence. Independence is often misconstrued as merely living alone or having a job. However, true independence is far broader, encompassing emotional and mental maturity. Women are attracted to men who appear to have their lives together, men who don't need someone else to feel complete. This includes having your own interests, passions, friends, and hobbies. Being independent means making decisions without constantly seeking approval from others. It's about self-sufficiency in your emotional landscape, as well as your practical life. This quality is incredibly attractive because it suggests that outside of any relationship, you lead a fulfilling, engaging life. This not only makes you more interesting, but also more desirable, as it indicates you are not relying on a partner to fill a void. Lesson 2: Being carefree. You might think women are attracted to men who are always busy, stressed, and preoccupied with every little setback. However, this is far from the truth. Stress is not attractive. Women are naturally drawn to men who exhibit a carefree attitude, not to be confused with being careless or irresponsible. Being carefree means remaining unaffected by life's minor inconveniences. It's about not letting a traffic jam, a rude remark, or a missed appointment ruin your day. This quality demonstrates resilience and a strong character. Life is full of challenges, and how you respond to them speaks volumes about you. Adopting a carefree demeanor suggests you understand that not everything will go your way, yet you choose to adapt and move forward rather than dwell on misfortunes. This approach is refreshing and energizing, signaling to women that minor setbacks don't rattle you and portraying you as a strong, capable leader. Lesson 3: Sincere kindness. In a world where the nice guy facade is all too common, women have become adept at distinguishing genuine kindness from mere niceties performed for personal gain. Genuine kindness is an inherent part of your character, shown in how you treat everyone with respect and dignity, not just those from whom you want something. This genuine approach means engaging with others sincerely, without an ulterior motive. It's about showing kindness because it's the right thing to do, not because you expect a reward. This type of kindness is deeply attractive because it demonstrates security in oneself and one's values. Women appreciate when men are kind out of sincerity. It builds trust and shows that you are authentic, dependable, and likely to be a good partner. Lesson 4: Comfortable disagreement. Contrary to popular belief, being agreeable is not the key to attracting deep admiration. In fact, women appreciate men who are not afraid to express their opinions, even when they differ from their own. The ability to comfortably disagree demonstrates a level of confidence that allows you to stand by your beliefs without being argumentative. This trait is crucial because it shows that you are not simply a yes man, but rather an independent thinker who is willing to engage in meaningful discussions. Disagreement should not be mistaken for being disagreeable. It is about respecting both your own viewpoint and hers, creating an environment where both voices are heard and valued. When two individuals can engage in healthy and respectful disagreement, it can invigorate a relationship. It opens up the opportunity for growth, learning, and deeper understanding. Comfortable disagreement allows for the exploration of different perspectives and ideas. It challenges both parties to think critically and consider alternative viewpoints. By embracing disagreement, you demonstrate a willingness to evolve and adapt, which can lead to personal growth and a stronger bond with your partner. Lesson 5: Masculine appearance. The idea that a masculine appearance is solely defined by chiseled features and a commanding presence is a narrow view that fails to recognize the complexity and diversity of masculinity. True masculinity is not about conforming to societal expectations or adhering to a rigid set of standards. It is about embracing your own unique qualities and expressing them authentically. A masculine appearance is about exuding confidence and strength, but it is also about displaying vulnerability and emotional intelligence. It is about being comfortable in your own skin and embracing all aspects of your personality, both the assertive and the nurturing. It is about being a well-rounded individual who is capable of empathy, compassion, and understanding. In today's society, the definition of masculinity is changing, acknowledging that it is not limited to traditional stereotypes. Men are now encouraged to break free from societal norms and embrace their individuality. This means that masculinity can be expressed in various ways, depending on personal style. The essence of masculinity lies in embodying qualities such as confidence, integrity, and kindness. Masculinity goes beyond physical appearance, focusing on values and principles that guide actions and behavior. It is important to embrace your unique qualities and express yourself authentically. While physical appearance matters to some extent, it is equally important to let your character shine through in the way you carry yourself and interact with others. Lesson 6. Emotional resilience. Emotional resilience is a vital quality in maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship. It involves handling emotional stress and bouncing back from setbacks. Showcasing strength, stability, and adaptability, a partner with emotional resilience reassures their significant other that they can navigate life's challenges with grace and composure. Being emotionally resilient involves self-awareness and understanding one's own emotions, leading to healthier interactions and communication within the relationship. Expressing emotions when necessary creates an environment of trust and vulnerability, fostering a deeper connection between partners. Emotional resilience can be a source of strength during difficult times, as both partners can face challenges together, finding solutions and supporting each other. This quality not only helps individuals overcome obstacles, but also strengthens the bond between partners as they navigate life's trials and tribulations as a team. Cultivating emotional resilience is a lifelong journey that requires self-reflection, self-care, and continuous growth. It involves developing healthy coping mechanisms, such as practicing mindfulness, seeking support from loved ones, and engaging in activities that promote emotional well-being. By investing in emotional resilience, individuals can enhance their overall mental and emotional health, ultimately benefiting their relationships. Lesson 7. Appropriate dominance. When it comes to discussions about male qualities, the concept of dominance often evokes images of overpowering control. However, it is important to note that the kind of truly appealing dominance is far from oppressive. It is about having the courage to take the lead, make decisions confidently and responsibly, and create a harmonious relationship balance. True dominance goes beyond merely asserting control. It involves stepping up when the situation calls for it and taking charge in a way that benefits not only yourself, but also those around you. It means being proactive and showing initiative while respecting and valuing everyone's input. When you embrace appropriate dominance, you demonstrate your willingness to lead, but not at the expense of others. It is about making decisions that take into account the perspectives and needs of everyone involved. This kind of leadership not only fosters a sense of security and trust, but also encourages open and healthy communication. We have explored 7 essential qualities in our journey to enhance your appeal and transform your relationships. These qualities, when cultivated, can significantly enhance your overall attractiveness. They are not just about appealing to others, but about becoming the best version of yourself. Your physical appearance is just one aspect of your overall attractiveness. It is important to ensure that your external self reflects your internal self. By cultivating qualities such as confidence, kindness, resilience, integrity, a sense of humor, and continuous self-improvement, you can significantly enhance your appeal and positively transform your relationships. Remember, this journey is not just about appealing to others. It is about becoming the best version of yourself. Keep striving, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. By subscribing to our channel, you will not only gain access to valuable information, but you will also become part of a supportive community of like-minded individuals who are also on a journey of personal growth and self-improvement. We believe in the power of connection and collaboration, and we encourage you to share your thoughts, insights, and experiences in the comments section.